Alright mga katrobs, welcome back to our channels and going here in the Costco Lethbridge, Mayor Margaret. Mga katrobs, sasamahan nyo kami at pupunta tayo sa Costco. Alright, stay tuned, rock and roll. Kathleen, welcome to Costco. There you go mga katrobs. Hello! This way, baby girl. This way, baby girl. Yeah, let's go. Wow, I like it. I like your doll, baby. Wow, this side mga katops, this is the electronics and television section. Come on. Meron din silang mga optical glasses dyan mga katops. So kung gusto nyo magpa-eye exam, yan, meron din sila dyan mga katrops. So ito yung sinasabi ko mga katrops na mga TV. Alright, this side, this section. Come on, Kathleen.
Oh, I got it.
This way. Yeah, this section is the electronics. Yan, mga fridge or washing machine. This side. At yun, meron din silang mga fridge dito at mga freezer dyan mga katrops. More stuff here in Costco mga katops. Mini electric fan on this side. Oh, see, this is what I'm saying. Freezer. All right. It's only $169 mga katops, the freezer. All right. Come on, let's go. Let's continue our journey here, mga katops. Come on, baby girl. See, lots of stuff you can see here and only in Costco mga katrops. See, this side mga katrops is the computer section. See, there's lots of laptop, computers over there and some electronics. They have a cell phone too over here, but they have also a jewelry shop here. Over here mga katrops, jewelry shop. See? You can buy your own jewelry here mga katrops. Watches over there. Alright. So you can buy wireless phone that side mga katrops. Oh, this side mga katrops is the chocolate section. There's a bunch of chocolate right there. Yeah. They have chocolate from Dubai, right Marlene? They have also here. Just go check it out. They have the chocolate from Dubai. See? Over here. Dubai chocolate. Yummy. Right there, mga katrops. Only here in Costco. And lots of many brands, the Western brands over there. Right, Kathleen? Yeah. Dubai chocolate too over here. Alright. See, they have a hot rod, like a Hot Wheels chocolate over here. Let's go, baby. This section mga katrops is the apparel and clothes section mga katrops. Alright. See? There's a bunch of grocery stuff here mga katrops. Yan. Ito naman yung mga ano mga katrops, yung mga toy section I think. Yeah, sa mga toy section. See the jumping castle.
Oh, check out the toy section.
Yeah, we got check it out over here. See, look at that. I like it, like a tent. Wow. See, this is the produce section mga katrops. That's the frozen one. This is the frozen section mga katrops. You can see the frozen stuff. Right time? Let's go. This produce section. Look at this. Okay. So this side naman mga katrops is the dairy section. You can see here the milk, chocolate milk, eggs. And it's cold here, Dime. Right, Dime? It's cold. Dairy stuff. Come on, let's go. Here, milk. You like milk? Go here in Costco. So this one mga katrops is the produce. Okay. There's a lot of produce product here mga katrops, like strawberry. See, you like strawberry? Your berries is here. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. Right, kid? Yeah. See? Strawberry. See, the big one is $10.99 for this one. Good stuff. Right, kid? Ito yung dapat yung puntahan mga katros pag sa Costco kayo, yung manok. Yan. Yeah, I know. See, the chicken is dati pa to eh, $7.99. See? Oh, manok. Roasted chicken. Matagal na ng price yan mga katros. Hindi nagbabago, $7.99 lang mga katros. So, nagmahal na lahat pero yung manok $7.99 pa rin. Ito yung seafood, pork and poultry and beef area mga kaprops. Ano? Let's go. Sige, minsan tingnan nyo yung may mga sale sila katulad dito. Oh, sale yun, may 50% off daw. Yung mga kaprops. See? See, 5% of the whole pork shoulder. Oh, I like this one. Ay, laki na yan. Sobrang 1 kilo to. Mga ilang kilo to? 3 kilos. Oh no, 4 kilos. Wow. See? Only here in Costco. And this section mga katrops, this is the tinapay section or the bakery section. Ito yung binibili namin mga katrops. So, kasi ano to, mura lang eh. 3 piraso na at $7.49 lang. Dati $6.99 lang yung nagmahal na. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam. Yun. Naka-good deal na to kasi ano na to eh. 3 piraso na yan, oh, mga katrops. Kaya meron din silang mga croissant dito. Ito $6.99 na to. Laki na yan, oh. Alright. Ngayon may mga muffins. Dati yung muffins $6.99, dalawang ganyan. Ngayon nagmahal na eh. Yan, ito yung bakery ng Kirkland Signature by Costco. Right, Greg? So this side mga katrops is the pharmacy section. Pabili ka dito ng mga I know. So kayo makabili ng mga gamot-gamot mga katrops. May mga vitamins din dyan. Tapos meron pwedeng kayo magpa-check up na no, patient consultation nandun, no. Tapos yun, may hearing aid center din sila mga katrops. Nakalawak tong Costco mga katrops eh. Ayun, no. Yeah. Kung may problema kayo sa tenga, yan, papa-check up kayo doon. Oh, maybe over there. Come on, let's go. This way, this way. Ito yung kagandahan ng Costco kasi kompleto na lahat eh. Ayan, may mga vitamins sa mga bata, mga matatanda, yan yung mga cellphone. Yeah. Alright mga katrops. At may good deals na dito mga katrops eh. Pagka by mga weekly. Puntahan nyo lang tong Costco. Katulad nyo to. Oh, itong Cetaphil, magkano yan? 19 ngayon, 40 na lang. Mahal to yung Cetaphil. Yung lotion. Yan. See? At ang hindi nagbabago talaga yung ano, yung Costco na hotdog. Ayun, no. At maya-maya lang pupunta tayo dun. Simulat sa pulpa, 150 lang yan mga trop. Yan, hotdog. May kasama ng Coke or whatever you want. $100.50 mga trop. Alright, let's go. So there you go mga trop. Ito yung parang pinaka-food court ng Costco mga trop. So, see, look at that. That's their menu. Ito yung talagang binabalik-balikan yung hotdog. Dati meron itong chicken wings ngayon, wala na. Yan yung mga price na mga katop. So doon naman sa kabila yung price ng gas mga katop. Saka sa loob yan. 154. Dati nasa 99 or 89 cents lang yung gas, ngayon mahal na. So ang galing oh. Kaya mo. Yan, lupit yan mga. Daming buhay pila oh. Mga katops. Yan. Costco food court mga katrops. Doon tayo kakain mamaya. Yeah. So there you go mga katrops. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa Costco tour namin. At kung gusto niyo pala magpa-member mga katrops, dito lang kayo pupunta o dyan sa membership. At ang recommended ko yung this, ano ba yun? Executive price ay 130 kasi may cashback yun eh. At yun. Nandito na lang. At ito na. Ito na yung finished product natin mga katrop. Bibili ka ng hotdog. At meron ka ng pop na unlimited. Yun eh. Alright. So nandito na mga katrop. At kakain mo lang kami. Stay tuned and rock and roll.
You always